if you want to draw this kind of objects, first of all, we need to know which profile is useful for us to extrude. So if you see from left side, it is showing the complete profile of an entire object. So go to AutoCAD 3D. Here, select left side. Okay. Select left side and see these dimensions first. So 48 is the total height, and each step width is 24. Each step height is 16. So 48, 24, 16, 24, 16, 24, 16 close. Okay. And if you see in this direction, this line is also visible. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now observe carefully what I'm doing. I'm taking L enter command. I'm starting from anywhere. What is the total height? 48. And this is 24, 16, 24, 16, 24, 16, close. Okay. Now, I'm changing the view. Observe carefully. I'm going to isometric southwest. Okay. Now, if I use press pull, how to use press pull? We need to select the region, or we need to keep the cursor inside the region. Inside the region I kept. So I'm getting a step like this with whatever the height I want, whatever the length I want. Now, in this particular diagram, there is a wall here. Yes or no? Along with the steps, there is a wall. If we want to have this wall here, simply what we need to do? Go to again left. Simply draw this line again, whatever is visible. Simply by extruding. Why I'm getting a green line here? Object track, not snap. Tracking is useful here. See here, object snap means if I take a L enter line, if I keep cursor on this, it is showing a green color path, and if I keep it at the extreme end, it is showing like an end point. Similarly, he did not select all. Select all. Now observe, it is showing midpoint also. This is called snapping. But here I'm starting a line from here. Okay. In this direction, I want to end exactly up to this level. So simply I'm touching this and coming back, it will show a green line. Okay. This is tracking. So here I will close. Now we'll go to that southwest isometric. We'll use press pull. What is the width? 72, I think. Huh? Total 104. Why 24 minus? Total 104. 104. Enter. Now separately extrude this. Press pull this. What is this? 24. Okay. Now when we draw like this will be treated as a separate object. This will be treated as a separate object. We can move it with respect to axis. But in our case, it should be a single object. So go to union. How to select union? Press union first, then select the entire object, then press enter. So it will be treated like a single object. Now already we have drawn a profile. That profile we need to delete. Simply I moved the objects up somewhere else and it is highlighted now. Press escape and then select this profile and delete. So this is your required object. Now we can change views as required. We can add some material properties for this. See here. This is how you have seen diagram in your engineering graphics and AutoCAD. Yes or no? For this we have generated front view, top view and side view. This is hidden view. అర్థం కాలేదు. ఓకే, 84 గీసా చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఒకటే వ్యూలో మనం మొత్తం చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, సో suppose a shaded of gray is shown here. If I want to add material to this object, press MAT and then enter. It will show you some materials. Whichever material you want, you can simply select and drag it here. But the thing is, if your view mode is in a shades of gray or anything, it will not show material. It must be in realistic in order to feel the material type. Now, if I select any material, it will be applied. Okay. If you change it to realistic to shades of gray or something, the material will not be identified. Okay. Got it or not? Now we'll show one more object. Tell me how we need to draw that. Everyone installed AutoCAD in your laptops? Okay. Two or three I will explain. Remaining you need to practice. Okay. Same commands repeatedly we'll use. Suppose if you want to draw this one. Third one. Fourth will tell. Okay. Mali chepta. Suppose if I want to draw this, in which view should I generate a profile first? Top view. How many of you say top view? Observe the diagram carefully. Material is added in this direction like this. The bottom part is also added like this. This is also added like this. So in this view, we have to generate a profile first. That is front view. Okay. If you generate a top view, there is a slant. It appears like a rectangle in the top view. How will you add material? Got my point? Front view should be selected for this. So first we will draw how it is visible in the front view, and then we'll use press pull. So here the dimension is 75 by 12 mm one rectangle, and this slot is 25, 25, 25. And this height is 25. This is 20, and it is closing at from here 20. So 75 by 12. First we'll generate that rectangle. So I'm selecting which view? Front. Go to front view. Take REC command. 75 tab 12. Okay. Now I want three partitions. 25, 25, 25. So offset. Instead of offset, if you try to do offset now, see here, we have to explode this. Divide this kuna oka line divide chesi malli vertical lines draw cheyali. Dani bodulu explode, enter, select object, enter. Now take offset 25. I want this line 25 here. This is 25 here. Escape, again offset 20. Why I'm taking this 20? Slant is closing at the 20. Okay. Now here, this is at height of 24, I think. 25. 25, enter. This is 20, enter, and close it here. If you want to draw a line between two endpoints, effect does not make any difference. You know the starting point, you know the ending point, whether it is horizontal, vertical, inclined, it doesn't matter. Okay. Yes. Huh? Then now we'll go to southwest. Now observe. The total is 50. And this rectangle we have to extrude 50, and this should be 50 minus 12, 38. And this should be 25. So go to press pull. 50. That's it. Escape. Union. Select all the object. Press enter. Select it. Move in any direction. Escape. And press the select the profile and delete. This is what the object does. Okay. Simply first thing is we need to select the profile. Listen. L enter, observe. 9, enter, we'll join these. Now we'll delete this. Is it the V slot dimension? Now we will have this V slot on this face. How can we select the whole object? CO or move. M enter, select the midpoint, shift middle button and move it here. Select the midpoint of this. Okay. Now what we can do? Press full, select region. Simply come here. We can say, got this or not? Again, we need to draw here. For this, go to front. Union చేయలేదు. Union చేద్దాం. Select, enter. Okay. Delete. Go to front. Here I need to have a V slot. What is its dimension? 30, 15. L enter. 30. 15. Join. Is this required? No. So select this, move base point, midpoint, and shift middle button. Here, place it at the midpoint. It will be highlighted midpoint. Okay. Now the profile will be visible. Clear? Now use press pull. Select this region. Already it is union. Done. In top view also there might be on profile. Okay, we have deleted that. Got it? This is how multi-view profile drawings. If we have a fillets or circular sections, how can we? We show one diagram. You tell me your ideas. This one. This you need to draw in the practice. This one. I'll tell this. This is easy, right? Only front is enough for that. No side is required. This for this diagram. Only front view is enough. This part will extrude separately, this separately, this separately. And this how we have done here, 9 mm, 2 slots. In the same manner, we can draw these two. And this we can extrude from here and then can move to the center. Completely from the front view, it is completed. Okay, no requirement of side view for this diagram. Shall I tell this also? You practice. If you have any doubt, we'll tell you. And you tell me your idea for this. It is also very simple. Only thing is here we have circular sections. Which view will help us? Front view will help us. Yes or no? As per this diagram, it is front view. But here it is a side view. Left side view. Yes or no? Yes. Go to left side view. Okay. Tell me the dimensions. Here I'm starting with this line 75, 9, 33. What is this height? We don't know. Randomly we'll draw. And then from the bottom, from 9, we have a 40 mm line. On that line, we have a center of 2 circles. Yes or no? 2 semicircles. So, L enter 9, 33, and this we don't know. Check. After drawing that, we can trim. This is 75. Again, 9, 33. Okay. Now, from here, $49. Yes or no? 49. From the bottom I'm drawing. Observe. From here it is 40. Now this point as center. Tell me the radius of circles. R15 and R23. 15. Another circle is 23. Yes or no? Now trim the unwanted portions. Is it required or not? This is not required. Okay, that's it. Delete. Yes or no? Now what is the next step? Yeah. L enter. Go. This is not required. This is not required. Done. Slant edge. L enter. From this corner to this corner. Done. Now we'll go to which view? Southwest. Use press pull. ఎందుకు ఇది trim? 2 lines ఎందుకు? Left. Okay. Now use what is its length? 52, and this is 8 mm. So use press pull 52, 8. Now where it is actually? From that end 22. So select, you can use this red axis 22. Okay. Now here it is southwest. We can go to northeast, opposite, to see this. Northeast, just a minute. Northwest. Here also use press pull. This is also 8. Same manner. Use. Select this.